In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list items on eBay with different sizes in 2025. This guide is designed to make the process simple and straightforward, so let's dive right in. The first step is to log into your eBay account. Once you're logged in, navigate your way to the My eBay section. From there, head over to Selling and then click on Listings to create a new listing. It's all set up to make selling easy and efficient, so follow along each step. Now for this example, let's say we're selling a men's t-shirt. That's where you start by entering your item's name. eBay may prompt you to select a match for your item. This just helps in categorizing your product, but if you don't find a suitable match, feel free to continue without one. The next thing you'll need to specify is the item's condition. Be sure to indicate whether your product is new, used, or refurbished, as this information is crucial for potential buyers. Moving into the listing editor, you'll want to choose a category that supports variations such as clothing men t-shirts. This part is essential because if the category doesn't support variations, eBay won't allow you to include them. So ensure you've got the right category selected. Next, as you scroll down to the pricing section, make sure your listing is set to Buy It Now format. This format is beneficial if you have fixed pricing in mind and would like buyers to purchase immediately without the bidding fuss. Once you have your pricing set, scroll back up to the variation section and click Edit. Here's where you'll select the type of variation you want, such as size. If size isn't available in the options, you can create a custom one. Now add in all the sizes you have available. Maybe you're offering small, medium, large, and XL. After you've entered your sizes, go ahead and click Continue. Visuals are key when selling online, so you'll want to add photos for each variation. This helps buyers understand what each size option looks like, potentially increasing your sales. Additionally, for each variation, input the quantity, price, and SKU. The SKU is a stock keeping unit, a unique identifier that can help you manage inventory more effectively. Once you've entered this information, click Save and Close. Finally, you're almost at the finish line. Complete the rest of your listing by adding any additional item specifics or descriptions that may aid in attracting buyers. Review everything once more to ensure it's all accurate and comprehensive. When you're satisfied with your listing, click List It to get your items live on eBay. And there you have it. You've just listed your items with size variations on eBay. By following these steps, you ensure a streamlined and efficient process that maximizes your chances of successful sales. Thanks for watching and happy selling.